Hello friends, welcome to the Global Digital Cash Coin. Global Digital Cash Coin, alias GDC Coin, is a cryptocurrency run by blockchain technology. GDC Coin is operated by Ethereum blockchain. Cryptocurrency is the safest currency of today's modern world. So let us know that the journey from creation of currency to cryptocurrency in the world. Ever since man started farming, he needed many things every day. He could not develop everything he needed. So he started selling his own grown products to others and started buying his daily items from others. This is known as the barter system. But it was quite a complicated process. Let us understand this system with a suitable example. Amar has a bull and he wants to buy a plough. Akbar has a plough, but he wants wheat grains. And Anthony has wheat grains, but he wants corn. The deal between these three people is highly impossible, as all of them have different needs. All of them have to find a person that fulfills their individual needs. Here, please remember that we are talking about only three people. If you include most of the people and things in it, then it will become a complex system. To resolve this problem, we chose to use gold, and then we started using gold coins as currency for the business purpose. But lack of gold made us create coins from different materials. Other than the gold and silver, various metallic and leather coins were made. And this brought us to the use of paper currency. But friends, the problem doesn't end here. Every person and the country using paper currency definitely face a problem in daily life. Creation, distribution and protection of paper currency is very difficult. This currency encourages bribing. Paper currency always has a risk of theft. Counterfeit currency is a major problem in all countries of the world. Digital transactions came up as a solution of all these problems, but digital transactions has its own flaws. Many banking systems have been robbed by the cyber attacks. Many people's account has been robbed by sending the fake SMSs. And this is a worldwide problem. In 2009, the world's first cryptocurrency was invented to solve this entire problem. Cryptocurrency is considered the safest currency which runs only with blockchain technology. So friends, let's know what is blockchain technology. You use mobile application for the digital transaction. Bank verifies the transaction once it is done and concerned person gets money transferred in his account. Here bank works as a payment gateway for the transaction. But you can directly transfer the amount to the beneficiary's account through blockchain technology. The transaction done through the blockchain technology gets registered. Every computer involved in the blockchain gets informed about the transaction. We gather thousands of these transactions to make one block to attach in the chain, like we make a chain of the compartments of the railway. Making changes in blocks attached to the blockchain is highly impossible. You'll have to make changes in all the computers attached to the blockchain, and the computers keep updating each other about the newly made changes. Therefore, blockchain is a very efficient system. Due to its high security, 10 to 15 countries of the world use blockchain system in many sectors including billing, ticket reservations and land mapping, etc. Now let's have a look on what the cryptocurrency is. All the transactions done with the blockchain are done only with the use of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is the safest currency of the world. Being secure makes cryptocurrency the smart currency of the future. Cryptocurrency is decentralized, so no other medium or bank is required as a payment gateway for transactions. Many companies of Japan are paying salaries in cryptocurrency to its employees. The Dubai government has started using cryptocurrency and blockchain for all its transactions. So friends, Let's learn about the origin of the world's first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency emerged in 2009. Number of Bitcoins cannot be exceeded more than 21 million. Less number of Bitcoin raises the demand of it, and hence price of the Bitcoin also rises. Today, we not only have Bitcoin but also other cryptocurrencies. Just like equity shares and commodity, there are a number of trading platforms on which trading takes place on the daily basis. There is a newly opened platform for the cryptocurrencies. After the launch of Bitcoin in 2009, it was promoted on various platforms and people were made aware of its importance towards the future. Due to this, the price of Bitcoin increased. And therefore, many countries of the world have validated and accepted Bitcoin as a currency for their daily business. Hence, the demand for the Bitcoin is constantly going upwards. But 21 million Bitcoin will not fulfill the needs of the whole world. So, Ethereum cryptocurrency was created. Bitcoin and Ethereum are considered to be the most reliable blockchain in the world today. GDC coin is one of the fastest growing currencies in India, like Bitcoin and Ethereum. So, let's understand, what is GDC coin? GDC Coin alias Global Digital Coin is the forex trading company working in Dubai from past 16 to 17 years. Gaining experience in the currency business and learning about future currency changes, GDC began working in cryptocurrency. And in 2016 established a new company called GDC Coin. Just as Bitcoin is a block of 21 million, so the GDC coin is a block of 70 million. GDC coin is operated by Ethereum blockchain. In 2016, promotion of 70 lakh GDC coins have started in India. Promotional campaign had become a milestone for Bitcoin, and as a result, it has got listed in the World Exchanger by the price of $900 as it was $0.01 in 2009. Likewise, in 2017, price of a GDC coin was $0.01, which is continuously rising till now. Also, GDC coin organizes various events for its investors, in which more information about GDC coin as well as cryptocurrency is given. Investments in the GDC coins can get you to the more assuring and peaceful future, as only 70 lakh GDC coins can be generated. The price of the GDC coin will keep on increasing with its rising demand. There are 20 lakh GDC coin holders till date. 80 to 100 countries have a plan of action for the GDC coin listing. This listing will at least be of $470. So friends, connect with GDC coin and invest in this fast-growing currency of the future. Thank you.